You can post every day and still make zero sales online if you don't understand this one thing: marketing funnels. Today, I'll show you how strangers become followers and followers become customers step by step. Most people post online every day but struggle to make sales. The problem is not your content. The problem is the missing system behind it. That system is called a marketing funnel. And today I'll explain it in the simplest way possible so you can turn followers into customers step by step. A marketing funnel is the journey people take before buying from you. They move through stages, discover you, trust you, decide you can help them, and buy from you. Think of it like building a relationship, not chasing a sale. The 4 stages of a marketing funnel. First is awareness. This is where you attract attention and strangers find you. Second is interest. Third is engagement. And fourth is action, leading to a customer. Want to get noticed? You have to show your value. Share your skills, tell your story, and make sure people see the difference you can make. Start today. Stand out and let the world see you. Hi, and welcome. I'm sharing the top 3 mistakes beginners make in online business. Second, trying to having a clear thing yourself. Inconsistent content creation. Let's dive deeper. The top 3 mistakes beginners make in online business. First, not having a clear niche. Inconsistent content creation. Let's dive in. Today, I'll share my top strategies for building curiosity and keeping viewers engaged. Stick around. You'll learn how to transform views into a loyal audience. I know how tough it can be to start something new. The fear of not being good enough can be paralyzing. But I learned that breaking it into small steps and being consistent really helps. You can do this. Desire. This is where we build trust and turn followers into believers. By consistently showing up and delivering value, you establish credibility. This is the stage where you prove your worth and create real connections. Let me share a quick case study with you. A client came to me struggling with visibility and sales. In just 90 days, they saw for 40 in sales. This shows how I can help you. Let's look at a case study to see how these strategies work in practice. The results? A 150% growth in just 3 months. As one client said, "This changed everything for me." Now, you're ready to take action. Here's what you need to do. First, identify one key action. Second, commit to a deadline. Third, take that step today. Let's do this. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to share some great opportunities with you. Join my What channel, download a free guide, buy my product, or book a coaching session. Click the link in my bio to get started right now. Let's look at a simple funnel. At the top, we have many viewers. In the middle, followers and subscribers. At the bottom, customers. As awareness grows, so do sales opportunities. Online business myths beginners believe. You need a huge following. False. You need to be a tech genius. Also false. The real secret is a simple funnel. Grab my free guide in the link below. Myth 1, you need a huge audience. False. It's about your niche. Myth 2, it requires big money. Not true. You can start lean tech scheme. Wrong. It's a real business. Focus on value and build from there. Step 2, a full YouTube tutorial with an in-depth explanation, a free offer like a checklist or beginner's guide. Step 4, a paid offer such as a course, ebook, or coaching program. Here are 6 common funnel mistakes beginners make. First, selling too early. Second, posting randomly without a strategy. Third, not building trust first. Fourth, having no call to action. Many beginners fail because they sell too early, post randomly without strategy, build trust first, have no call to action, and focus only on views instead of relationships. You only need 3 things for a simple funnel. First, content to attract people. Second, community to build trust. Third, an offer to solve problem. Keep it simple. Let's talk about using each platform. YouTube is perfect for long tutorials and deep education. For TikTok and Instagram, short lessons and attention-grabbing hooks work best. This helps you create the right content for the right audience. Join our Facebook community for rich discussions and storytelling. And subscribe to our WhatsApp channel for daily value and a closer connection. Need content ideas from this tutorial? I'll show you how to turn 1 into a week of posts. First, why people watch but don't buy. Second, marketing funnel explained in 30 seconds. And fourth, the biggest online business mistake. A successful online business is not built by luck. It's built by guiding people step by step from discovery to trust to action. Focus on helping people first, and sales follow that system always wins. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you understand how marketing funnels really work, make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more real strategies that help you grow online with clarity and confidence. Remember, success online is not about luck. It's about systems, consistency, and taking action one step at a time. Drop a comment below and tell me which part of the funnel you're going to build first. I read every comment and I'm here to help you grow. See you in the next video.